Oh my god, we're in the kitchen. This is not where we usually film. This is very strange to us all. Let's all just take a minute to assure ourselves that this is okay, we're in a safe place and we don't need to freak out. I am doing a PO box unboxing haul style video today. I have already taken it out of the bag that it all came in, the giant post bag, and I've divided it up into categories of beauty, lifestyle and baby. And I thought I would just show you everything that was in it because, my god, I love the PO box days. It's such an amazing perk of this job, and I appreciate it all very much. So I would like to thank all the companies and brands that have sent lovely things to the PO box, and feature you a little bit and give you a bit of airtime. And also I know that you guys enjoy videos like this, so I will just get crack-a-lacking. Before we start on beauty, just very quickly, 2 books that I have been sent which I'm looking forward to reading. The Bear and the Nightingale by Catherine Arden, and what is this one called? The Girl in the Tower, also by Catherine Arden. These are books that I'm unfamiliar with, and I haven't heard of, and I don't know anything about them, but they look nice. You shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but totally am doing. I think the cover's lovely, and I shall put them on my reading pile. If you have read anything by Catherine Arden, I would like to know what you think, and what you think of the books as well. Okay, on to beauty, and there are some goodies from one of my favourite beauty brands, which is Tarte Cosmetics. I'm actually wearing them on my les yeux at the moment. That is the chrome paint in Park Avenue Princess, I think, either from their Park Avenue Princess collection, or it's called Park Avenue Princess. It's like coppery stuff. Anyway, there was this box, and I was like, ooh, that's a nice box, and it said Shape Tape Nation. Now, Shape Tape is a concealer that they brought out last year that I freaking loved. I don't wear concealer very often. I only really wear it for meetings, nights out, and any like film work that I'm doing that's not like my own filming, like, you know, TV or whatever, because I'm always on TV, you know me, just coming last on Celebrity Mastermind, etc, etc. Anyway, so I was like, oh great, some more Shape Tape concealer. Not just more Shape Tape concealer, ladies and gents. They're doing freaking foundation now, aren't they? Yes, they are, in hydrating, which I imagine will be more of a dewy finish, and matte, which will be more of a velvety finish, and I'm freaking excited. There's also one of these beauty blender, oh, a contouring sponge. We're not calling it a beauty blender, that's fine. Jobbies, and a swanky little brush. I don't use brushes like this, but I'll give that a go. And of course, the concealer. I'm just really, really freaking excited about this. Thank you so much, Tarte. Tarte also sent a couple of other bits. So we have this little palette here. This is the Double Duty Beauty Shape Your Moneymaker Eye and Cheek palette. I will open it for you. Prepare to swoon. I hope you're sat down watching this. Just a sec. So in the little gold palette like this. Oh hi you guys. Hang on, let's try and get you some. Oh yes, would you just look at that? I want to lick them all. I want to lick them all. I really like that they've done like a sparkly bronzer and a matte bronzer as well, so that'd be so nice for like contour and bronzing. And then there was this one. Hang on, upside down. This one, let me just let the camera focus on that. This appeals to my inner child. When I was little, I really used to like shell boxes. Whenever I went to the seaside or went on holiday, there would always be little wooden boxes with loads of tacky shells all stuck to them, and I just loved those so much. I had loads of them, so this appeases me immensely. This is the Foil Finger Paints Shadow Palette. When I opened this yesterday, Liam was in the room and I actually went, oh, and he was like, what is it? Is it the baby? And I was like, no, look at this. So just, oh yeah, just look at that. Oh, it looks like a hidden Mickey. Only like super Disney fans will know what I'm talking about there. Look at that. I'm just gonna, oh yes. Can we please just take a minute? Don't mind me, I'm just having, you know, a moment over here. So I'm gonna just wipe that on my pajama bottoms. Yes, I've dressed my top half, but underneath this I'm wearing PJs. So thank you so much, Tarte. I freaking love this and can't wait to just slather this all over my face. Nails Inc. very kindly sent me a little letter saying congratulations on the birth of Pearl, and that they've sent me some Pearl inspired shades, which I thought was quite sweet. I really like the look of this one, which is called Primrose Street. I think that is a really pretty one. And also Darcy is getting a little bit into wearing nail polish, and I try and like steer her towards the really pale colours because I don't like seeing her with like super bold colours on. Old Montague Street, so I'll be sharing these with Doodles. Ciate, who are renowned for their nail polishes, have branched out into other makeup as well over the past few years, and they have sent me their Glitter Flip lipsticks. I've taken them out the boxes. These are the colours that we have here, and the idea is that you put them on and then press your lips together like that, and they go really sparkly. I don't have it on today, but over the course of next week, which will be my weekly vlog, which is uploaded on Sunday at 9 AM, I will put these on, or at least one of them, and give you a little first impressions of it. YSL Yves Saint Laurent have sent some beauty goodies, which I'm very grateful for because these are like luxurious goodies. We have got some translucent powder, which today was the first time that I thought, oh, I could really do with some powder. Usually I just like whip on my foundation and leave it be, but I think that my lovely like pregnant glowy skin is abandoning me and just getting my like regular skin back, which I am sad about because my pregnant skin was amazing. So I am glad of all of these things, particularly the I've got a touche éclat and a correcting touche éclat, and also like a highlightery thing just here. So I am going to be needing all of these things. There is a moisturizer, which I'm a bit excited about because, I don't know, instant moisture glow. It just appealed to me. I was like, oh, that might be nice. And then this primer has got sparkles in it. Let me just blot my face out. Hang on. I need the use of my hands for this. This is a primer. It's a Touche Éclat Blur primer. Look at this. Can you see? It's got like glitter in it. It's got a sprinkle of glitter in it. So obviously I'm on board. Charlotte Tilbury have sent a brightening youth glow, anti-aging colour correcting glow booster. This is what I'm all about. Now that the pregnancy glow has left me, I would really like, I'm gonna have to put some artificial glow on, and this is what this is. Origins, one of my favourite skincare brands, have sent 6 products over, and I think, feel free to tell me if I'm wrong in the comments, I think they've had a bit of a packaging rejig because I've used quite a few of these products before because I freaking love Origins, and I'm sure they used to come in pots, like little round plastic pots, and now they come in squeezy tubes. So either this, I'm going crazy, or this is a thing. Someone let me know. But we've got the we've got the ginseng peel off mask to refine and refresh, and this is one that I've used before and really got on well with. We've got the Out of Trouble 10-minute mask to rescue problem skin. I haven't tried this one. I don't tend to have problem skin, but I have noticed that 2 weeks postpartum, little spots are appearing. So that's probably a lovely hormone thing, and maybe I do now have problem skin. The Drink Up 10-minute mask to quench skin's thirst. I've used this one. I really like this one a lot. I think this is the one, oh, tissue or rinse off. Yeah, I've used this on a plane before with Zoe actually. Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask. I've never tried that overnight mask, so I'm looking forward to giving that a go. Retexturizing mask with rose clay. I might give that a go tonight because Claire's coming over later and we can do a little mask together. And Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to Clear Pores. Ugh, I've not tried this, but I could definitely do with this because all over here I get really big pores, so that would be really good. First Aid Beauty, or FAB, are another brand that I've used and enjoyed before. So I like it when it's a brand that I've used products from because I feel confident with them, and sometimes I feel a bit nervous about trying new brands of skincare because I think, oh, but I know what I like and I know what's worked for me and I'm scared to try something new. So, oh, that's really sad, isn't it? I'm scared to try a new cream. Not scared, but you know where you are with things. Anyway, they've sent a Pure Skin face cleanser. They've also sent an Intense Hydration skin protectant, ultra repair cream, and then they've sent these facial radiance pads to help exfoliate, tone and brighten. I'm not entirely sure. Oh, they've got white pad across face, neck and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. So toner. Anyone that's used this, let me know what exactly you do with this. Thank you. Sigma, who are famous for their brushes, have sent me a few things as well. They have sent the Sig Magic Brush Shampoo Foam and Sig Magic Brush Shampoo not foam, and then also this little device which is to clean your brushes with. You stick it to your sink like that, and then, oh gosh, it's got like a bubbled pad and you can like brush your brushes around it. Now, I already have something similar to this that I showed in a video a while ago. Oh look, they've got a little picture of how to use it there. And I get on really well with it, and it's much bigger than this. So personally, I think I'd stick to the bigger mat. I'll link what I mean below. They're like £2 or £3 on Amazon, they're amazing. But if you were traveling a lot, or if you were a makeup artist and you just needed something to shove in your bag, this might be quite good. I don't know if you can buy it because it says patent pending on the front, so I'm not sure, but I'm sure you can buy the makeup brush cleansers. For before, I always just use like a mild shampoo or like a Lush shower gel or something like that. So be interested to see if these work better and get the dirt off quicker. Two last things. We have the a body wash from Body Shop, and this is the Balkan Juniper Body Wash Invigorating Bath and Shower Gel. I wish that you could smell this because it smells so luxurious. I gave it to Liam to smell yesterday and he was like, yeah, that does smell nice. It doesn't smell super feminine, it just smells very nice. It smells like gardens and springtime, and it smells specifically of my Auntie Rose's garden, which I realise is a completely useless comparison for you because none of you have been there, but that's what it smells like. And then also Tangle Teezer have sent me a Tangle Teezer hairbrush. I always welcome a Tangle Teezer hairbrush because they're brilliant, and they're the only ones I use on mine and Darcy's hair because they don't hurt. And I also like that they have a little lid to them. It just stops your hair bubbles and everything all getting like trapped in it, so thank you very much. I've decided that since this video is already video length long, I'm going to film now all the children's things I've been sent, because I've been sent some stuff for Pearl and Darcy, and put that in a separate video, probably next Friday, just to break it up. Otherwise you're going to be sat there for like 40 minutes and that is a little bit long. So thank you so much to all the amazing beauty brands that threw stuff in my PO box. I like it a lot. I look forward to using it, and also in the weekly vlogs I'll be doing some little mini reviews as and when I use them. Please let me know if you have any of those products at home and what you think of them, or what you think I should go out and road test, have a go with. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed that. Generally people seem to really freaking love PO box hauls. I watch a lot of them, like a lot. So I hope that you enjoyed that. Let me know if you'd like to see more. You're gonna get one next week, whether you like it or not, but you know, after that, I mean, we could maybe make it like an every other month kind of thing if you're interested. And I will see you on Sunday at 9 AM for the weekly vlog. Thanks for watching, bye!